1081 has been a fan favorite for me personally. I recently had a client that decided to adopt this glove and add it to their standardized approved PPE board. And one of the things that really drew them into the 1081 was the fact that it's so dexterous. It's very form-fitting. You'll get great tactility in your fingertips, a flexible foam nitrile blend on the palm, and it's also touchscreen compatible. Anytime you're out in the field, a lot of times, especially in specific industries, there's touchscreen machines, equipment, and you're having to use your cell phone. The amount of times that you can limit a person taking off their PPE, the better. Because when you take off the PPE, you're putting yourself at risk. Another feature about this glove that I really like is the fact that as you wear it, the dip begins to mold to your hand. So you'll notice the grooves in your fingers will start to form after putting on the glove and wearing it for just a few minutes. And that feature really enhances the fit of the glove. It really puts the personal in PPE. The fact that you can use this with your devices, it fits so well, it's very breathable, and you're still getting high level of protection with a puncture level of a 3, an A2 360 cut, and an abrasion level of a 4. My customer really liked this because not only did it fit well, it also checked the box of high visibility. You know, hand injuries are still one of the leading causes of accidents in the workplace. And sometimes it's as simple as not knowing where your hand is when you're swinging a hammer or when you're working with a partner and they don't see your hand, getting it caught or pinched or cut even. So the high visibility on this shell adds another product benefit that the 1081 features that sets it apart and makes it different from a lot of other products out there. It's one of my personal favorites. It feels great. And the price point for a glove that provides all of these things for you is really, really awesome. When you're looking for good ROI, investing in your PPE, the 1081 is a solid choice.